I've never looked at my career as like a game of chess where you can strategically place, and there's no game plan as such. I don't think you can. I think everything is instinctive and everything comes from the heart. I think something like this really is a result of the work that I do. I don't think it has anything to do with me physically. Sure, definitely, but I also think that the brand endorsements also are a result of the films that you do. I am an actor, and for me that is my priority. I think I've been very fortunate to have, in the last 2-3 years, the kind of roles that I've done have been very, very different from each other, and I've got the opportunity to do that and to play different characters. So I guess something like this, or the brand endorsements that you're talking about, are a result of that, and of course I guess the success of that, and I guess the relatability of the characters.
He's been asking everyone this all evening, so
What is your opinion on the budget? वो तो हर साल हम यही कहते हैं ना. Okay, first of all, I don't think this is the right platform to be discussing something as serious as the budget. That's one. Secondly, I don't think I'm qualified enough, or no, I don't think I have enough knowledge to just make a random comment about something that I'm not very, very clear about. So once I study a little, or I know from someone who knows enough about it, I can always share my views. You see tomorrow.
What did you think about Arjun's look?
I think Arjun was perfect for the part. I think our trailer's launching now in a couple of days with Lekar Hum Deewana Dil, which is a film that I'm really looking forward to. Yeah, I think when I read the script, I couldn't think of anyone else but Arjun. I think he really fits the part. As an actor, there are times where you have to work towards looking like that part. But and there are times when you're lucky, like for me it happened with Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I just had to more or less be myself, and I think this film is like that for him, and I think he's fabulous in the film. But more importantly, I think the fact that I got the opportunity to work with Naseeruddin Shah, Dimple Kapadia, Pankaj Kapoor, 5 of us for 1 month in Goa in a car was a fantastic learning experience.
Ma'am, also your movie is South of France, right?
In day after, yeah.
With Ranbir, any thoughts about that? You're going to be teaming up with Ranbir, Imtiaz again after Love Aajkal. Looking forward to it?
Absolutely, I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous, like it's almost my first film for some reason. Ranbir has been a fantastic co-star, and we've done a beautiful movie together. And Imtiaz again gave me one of my most memorable movies in Love Aajkal. And so now, getting to work with the two of them together, and Rockstar is again one of my most favorite films. So I'm really getting that, that feeling when you're really excited about something, butterflies in the stomach, almost like it's my first film.
Ma'am, आप और Katrina last 6 years से ये ताज जीतते आ रहे हैं.
ताज.
So award जीतते आ रहे हैं, तो आज आप जीत गए हैं, कैसा लग रहा है? Because हमने recently देखा आप और Katrina you all have worked, and what is your take on that?
I think she's absolutely stunning. She's extremely beautiful, and she's very, very talented, and she deserves to have won for all the times that she has. And like I said, one can't take these things very seriously, so I'm sure this year if it's me, next year it will be someone else.
So for Deepika, who is sexier? For Deepika, who is sexier? Asking is Deepika, एक आपसे लेकर
Guys, one at a time.
What kind of a question is that? Are you seeing somebody? जानना चाहते हो आप? Such a boring question. Please move on from this question. Which one? See, I think the media very conveniently takes grabs of some random thing. I've always said that we've been very, very cordial with each other, and that's not the one and only time that we've met. We've met several times. I guess a lot of times the media doesn't probably have access to say events where we probably have met and we have spoken, and that's about it. You can't really make anything out of a random clip that's come out of nowhere.
दीपिका दो सवाल दीपिका एक सवाल आप पूछो
Why are you asking me these questions?
आपको बोलना चाहिए
She went on Facebook and she had a very emotional sort of outburst, if I can say so, on Facebook, commenting about her place as an actress in the industry and also as a woman in the industry.
आपने भी कभी इस तरह की जेंडर जो डिस्पैरिटी वो कभी फेस की है उस पे ओवरऑल जो हमारे इंडिया का पर्सोना है इस पे आपकी क्या राय है कि विमेन के बारे में हम जिस तरह से लोग देखते हैं
I need to answer one of your questions because your questions are very different.
Basically, she spoke about her place in the industry as a woman, as an actress. Sometimes she's felt the disparity. You've always spoken about it. You've always spoken about Priyanka has talked about the disparity in pay.
Yeah.
Respecting a lot of those things, she had very emotional outbursts. Also, keeping in mind the controversy that's happening with the legal case. What do you have to say about that? All encompassing about the case and about the kind of treatment given to that.
See, I don't think it's my place to be commenting on anybody's personal space, and what's happened, what's not happened is none of my business. What I can applaud her for is the fact that I've always believed that she's a very, very strong woman, and I appreciate her for that. And I'm not saying this in context to what you're particularly asking me about, but I've always admired her for the fact that she's always been very, very outspoken. She's always stood for what is right. She's never shied away from standing up for what is correct, and I respect her for that.
last two questions दीपिका
It's very true. It's very, very true. When you talk about the gender bias, that's one of the most important things. What we do about it, I don't know. How one tackles the situation, I have no idea. But it is the truth of the matter. And I'm still finding the disparity, imagine.
Guys.
I don't think it's right for me to be discussing this like this. I think it really depends from project to project, and I think what happens is when you start discussing things like monies in public, it kind of takes away from the creativity of what we do. There's a basic reason why I'm here. I enjoy being in front of the camera. I love the job that I do. I love performing and all of that. When you start discussing monies and the financial aspect of a film, it's not something I'm very comfortable talking about. I have a team that manages that. In fact, I never speak to the producers myself directly. From the start of my career, I've had an agency that manages my work, and they do the talking. And I'd like to leave it like that, because when I'm on set, these are not things that I worry about, and these are not things that I want to think about, and I don't do films for the money.
Sorry, one second. Can we ask the last question?
I haven't seen it. I've always said I want to work with him. I've always said that. Yeah.
हमने ऐसी बात सुनी थी कि बाजीराव मस्तानी में आप उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए क्योंकि वो बात सही है.
It's true. Ranveer and me are doing Bajirao Mastani, and we start shooting end of this year. Thank you. Neela Kunis. I love Neela Kunis.
You beat her on the list though, and by a fair distance.
It's okay. I'm very fond of her. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
How does it feel to be part of this kind of event as such?
It feels amazing. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ और कि मैं भी nominated हूँ. So yeah.
So what does the term sexy means to you as such?
The term sexy for me means when you have beauty and brains.
And does it really attract a man? Does it really attract man? A sexy woman, I mean to say,
Yeah.
being sexy is very important in life as such, or being humble is more important.
I believe being humble is more important, and I believe that we all are sexy, you know. So yeah, and as I said, I believe that being, you know, humble and down to earth and just being a good person, I believe that's the main thing we all should, you know, try to be.
And all the 50 women who have been selected as the most sexiest women, does they deserve as such, or are they deserving candidate for this purpose?
I believe we all deserve it. Like, why not? क्यों नहीं?
You don't think beside that 50 women, other women are not so sexy as such?
No, of course even they deserve it, and I'm sure that that will happen to them one day also. I mean, this is a limit. I believe that every woman on earth is sexy. You know, we all are sexy in our own way. So, yeah.
And the best compliment ever you have received for being beautiful or being sexy as such from any individual, any big celebrity as well?
Well, the best compliment I have got is that I've heard that, you know, I'm good as a person. So I feel that's very nice to hear, you know.
Thanks, Ali.